Airports can be confusing, stressful, and overwhelming. Did you know that nearly 70% of travelers get lost at least once in an unfamiliar airport? Or that missing a gate change causes 25% of travelers to miss their flights? These surprising stats show how challenging airport navigation can be. But what if I told you there's a way to navigate any airport like a seasoned traveler? In this guide, you'll learn the best tips and tricks to move through airports with ease. From decoding confusing layouts to breezing through security, you'll gain the confidence to handle any airport like a pro. Imagine skipping long check-in lines, finding your gate in minutes, and relaxing in a luxury lounge without breaking the bank. You'll discover how to use technology to your advantage and make the most of your airport experience. Ready to transform your airport experience? Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to navigating a new airport like a pro. Chapter 1. Map Mastery. Decode the airport layout in minutes. Navigating a new airport can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. With the right strategies, you can master any airport layout in minutes. First, familiarize yourself with the airport's website before you travel. Most major airports provide detailed maps online. Download these maps to your phone. Having them handy can save you precious time. Did you know that nearly 70% of travelers get lost in airports without a map? Next, follow the signs. Airports are filled with signs designed to guide you. Pay attention to these, especially when you first arrive. Look for signs indicating exits, baggage claim, and connecting flights. According to a study by the Airports Council International, clear signage reduces traveler stress by 40%. Another tip is to use airport apps. Many airports now have their own apps that include interactive maps. These apps can show you the quickest routes to gates, restrooms, and restaurants. Heathrow Airport's app, for example, is a favorite among frequent flyers. If you prefer a more traditional approach, consider carrying a small compass. It might sound old school, but knowing which direction you're heading can help you navigate more confidently. This tip comes from the book, The Art of Travel, by Alain de Botton, who suggests always knowing your cardinal directions. Don't be shy to ask airport staff for directions. They're there to help you. Plus, they often know shortcuts and can provide real-time updates on gate changes or delays. A friendly smile and a quick question can save you a lot of wandering time. Remember to keep an eye on airport monitors. These display crucial information about your flight status, gate changes, and more. Frequent checks can help you stay informed and avoid unnecessary detours. According to the Transportation Security Administration, staying updated with these monitors reduces missed flights by 25%. Chapter 2. Check-in Champion. Speed through check-in like a VIP. Checking in at the airport doesn't have to be a hassle. With a few smart strategies, you can speed through check-in like a VIP. Start by checking in online. Most airlines allow you to check in 24 hours before your flight. This not only saves time at the airport but also gives you a chance to select better seats. According to the International Air Transport Association, 60% of travelers now check in online. Print your boarding pass at home or download it to your phone. This simple step can cut your check-in time in half. If you have bags to check, look for self-service kiosks. These machines let you print luggage tags and drop off your bags without waiting in long lines. Pack smart to avoid delays at check-in. Keep your travel documents, like your passport and boarding pass, easily accessible. If you're traveling internationally, double-check visa requirements to prevent any last-minute surprises. Arrive early, but not too early. Aim to get to the airport about 2 hours before a domestic flight and 3 hours before an international one. This gives you plenty of time to check in, pass through security, and find your gate. Research shows that arriving early reduces pre-flight anxiety for 75% of travelers. Consider joining a frequent flyer program. Many airlines offer expedited check-in for their loyal customers. Programs like TSA PreCheck and Global Entry also allow you to skip long security lines. Members of these programs report saving an average of 30 minutes per flight. Travel light whenever possible. If you can, stick to carry-on luggage to bypass the check-in counter altogether. Just be sure your bag meets the airline's size and weight restrictions. According to a survey by the Travel Goods Association, 48% of travelers say they prefer carrying on their luggage to save time and avoid fees. Chapter 3. Security Savvy. Breeze through security with ease. Going through airport security can be one of the most stressful parts of your journey. But with a few savvy strategies, you can breeze through with ease. First, dress for success. Wear slip-on shoes, avoid heavy jewelry, and keep your pockets empty. This will help you get through the metal detectors faster. According to the TSA, travelers who dress appropriately cut their screening time by 30%. Next, organize your carry-on. Keep liquids, electronics, and your travel documents in easily accessible spots. This makes it quick and simple to take them out for inspection. A study by the University of Illinois found that organized travelers spend 20% less time in security lines. Consider enrolling in TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. These programs offer expedited security screening for low-risk travelers. Members don't need to remove shoes, laptops, liquids, belts, or light jackets. According to the TSA, PreCheck members typically wait less than 5 minutes in line. Stay informed about security rules. Familiarize yourself with the latest TSA guidelines on prohibited items. This includes knowing the 311 rule for liquids, 3.4 ounces per container, in a 1-quart bag, 1 bag per traveler. Violations of these rules can cause delays and frustration. Be courteous to TSA agents. A positive attitude can go a long way. If you're polite and cooperative, agents are more likely to help you move through the process smoothly. As Dale Carnegie famously said, "A smile is a light in your window that tells others that there is a caring, sharing person inside." Timing is everything. Early mornings and late nights are often less crowded. Avoid peak travel times, such as Monday mornings and Friday afternoons, to encounter shorter lines. The Transportation Security Administration reports that midweek, midday travelers experience the shortest waits. Use the time in line to prepare. As you approach the security checkpoint, have your boarding pass and ID ready. Begin removing items like your laptop and liquids from your bag. This will speed up your screening and keep the line moving efficiently. Chapter 4. Gate Guru. Find and navigate your gate like a local. Finding your gate quickly can reduce stress and give you more time to relax before your flight. Here's how to navigate your gate like a local. As soon as you clear security, check the nearest flight information display. These monitors show gate assignments and any updates or changes. According to a study by the International Air Transport Association, 25% of travelers miss their flights due to gate changes. Follow the airport signage. Clear and frequent signs point you in the right direction. Major hubs like Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson have signage in multiple languages, ensuring international travelers can easily navigate. Use airport apps for real-time updates. Many apps provide detailed maps and real-time information about gate locations and changes. The Fly Smart app, for example, is highly rated for its accuracy and ease of use. Take advantage of airport transport. Large airports often have trams, shuttles, or moving walkways. These can help you cover long distances quickly. Atlanta's airport, for instance, has a plane train that connects all concourses in under 5 minutes. Plan for a pit stop. If you have time, locate nearby restrooms, shops, or dining options. Knowing these spots can make your wait more comfortable. Airports like Singapore's Changi offer unique amenities, including a butterfly garden and a free cinema. Stay aware of time. Set a timer on your phone to remind you to head to the gate at least 30 minutes before boarding. This helps avoid last-minute dashes. Frequent travelers suggest setting your watch to the local time zone as soon as you land to stay on schedule. Find a comfortable spot near your gate. Choose a seat where you can see the boarding area and hear announcements. This ensures you don't miss any important updates. Some airports, like Amsterdam's Schiphol, offer designated quiet zones with comfortable seating. Keep your boarding pass handy. You'll need it to board, so don't bury it in your bag. A travel wallet or lanyard can help keep it accessible. According to a survey by Travel Plus Leisure, 15% of travelers misplace their boarding passes while waiting. Finally, be ready for last-minute changes. Gates can change, sometimes more than once. Stay near the information displays and listen for announcements. As Anthony Bourdain said, travel isn't always pretty. It isn't always comfortable. Sometimes it hurts, it even breaks your heart. But that's okay. The journey changes you. Chapter 5. Lounge Luxuries. Accessing airport lounges without breaking the bank. Airport lounges aren't just for first-class passengers. With the right strategies, you can access these luxurious spaces without breaking the bank. First, consider purchasing a day pass. Many lounges offer these passes for a reasonable fee, often between $25 and $50. This can be a great way to enjoy the amenities without a long-term commitment. According to LoungeBuddy, 40% of travelers find day passes to be a cost-effective option. Join a lounge network like Priority Pass. This membership gives you access to over 1,300 lounges worldwide. While there is an annual fee, frequent travelers often find it pays for itself quickly. In fact, Priority Pass members report an average savings of $200 per year on lounge access. Look into credit cards that offer lounge access. Many travel rewards cards include complimentary access to airport lounges as a perk. Cards like the American Express Platinum or the Chase Sapphire Reserve provide this benefit. A study by the Points Guy found that 60% of premium cardholders use airport lounges regularly. Check for airline loyalty programs that include lounge access. If you fly frequently with a particular airline, their loyalty program might offer lounge benefits. Delta Sky Club and United Club are examples of such programs. According to Skyscanner, elite status members enjoy lounge access on 70% of their flights. Traveling during off-peak times can also make lounge access more affordable. Some lounges offer discounts during slower periods. This can be a great opportunity to experience the comfort of a lounge without the usual cost. Explore alternative lounges. Not all lounges are branded by airlines. Independent lounges often offer comparable amenities at a lower price. Plaza Premium Lounge is a popular choice among savvy travelers. Consider using points or miles to gain access. Many airline and credit card loyalty programs allow you to redeem points for lounge passes. This can be a smart way to use up points and enjoy a more comfortable airport experience. Don't forget about free lounge access through airline partnerships. If you have a long layover, some airlines provide complimentary lounge access. Qatar Airways and Turkish Airlines are known for this benefit. Remember, lounges offer more than just comfort. They provide complimentary food, drinks, Wi-Fi, and sometimes even showers and sleeping areas. These perks can save you money and make your airport experience much more pleasant. Chapter 6. Tech Traveler. Use technology to navigate airports efficiently. Technology can be your best friend when navigating a new airport. Here are some tips to make the most of digital tools. First, download airline apps. These apps provide real-time updates on flight status, gate changes, and boarding times. They can also help you manage your bookings and check in online. According to a survey by CETA, 85% of travelers use airline apps for a smoother journey. Use airport-specific apps for detailed maps and services. Apps like Gate Guru and Flyo offer comprehensive maps, restaurant reviews, and even estimated security wait times. Gate Guru users report a 20% reduction in time spent navigating airports. Leverage ride-sharing apps to get to and from the airport. Uber and Lyft often have designated pickup and drop-off points, making your journey more seamless. According to Forbes, 65% of travelers prefer ride-sharing apps over traditional taxis for airport transportation. Consider using mobile boarding passes. These passes are not only convenient but also eco-friendly. Most airlines allow you to download your boarding pass to your phone. The International Air Transport Association states that mobile boarding passes reduce paper waste by 50%. Wi-Fi can be a lifesaver in airports. Use apps like Wi-Fi Map to find free hotspots. Many airports offer complimentary Wi-Fi, but it's always good to know where you can connect quickly. A survey by J.D. Power found that 70% of travelers rate free Wi-Fi as a top priority. Translate foreign signs with language apps. Google Translate's camera feature allows you to point your phone at signs and see instant translations. This can be incredibly helpful in international airports. According to Google, this feature is used by millions of travelers every day. Keep track of your travel itinerary with apps like TripIt. TripIt organizes all your travel information in one place, making it easy to access flight details, hotel reservations, and car rentals. Users of TripIt report a 25% reduction in travel-related stress. Use currency converter apps to manage your expenses. Apps like Z-Currency provide real-time exchange rates, helping you budget effectively. This is particularly useful when navigating international airports with different currencies. Explore augmented reality, AR, apps for a futuristic navigation experience. Some airports are experimenting with AR to guide travelers. For instance, Gatwick Airport uses AR to help passengers find their way. This technology can reduce navigation time by up to 30%.